What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and I'm sharing a quick and easy beef and broccoli recipe. I combined ramen noodles with this, but you can use any pasta you like or skip the pasta as well. I'm using a flank steak. You can also use stir-fry steak, skirt steak, or any type of steak you like. I'm using fresh broccoli. You can use frozen broccoli if you thaw it first. And then I have soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, brown sugar or sweetener, garlic, and a few spices. To get a thick sauce, we're going to combine cornstarch and water. First, you just want to cook your noodles in accordance with what it says on the package. I like to allow those noodles to cook while I cook my beef. So here I'm adding sesame oil to the pan, and then I'm going to add my beef here. I don't like to fully cook the beef because we're going to add this back in once we get our sauce and our pasta ready. And so I cook this for a few minutes and then I go ahead and add in those spices. You can get the full recipe in the description box and on my website at staysnatched.com. So once that beef is partially cooked, I then add some garlic to the pan along with the broccoli. Same story with the broccoli. I don't want to overcook this or fully cook this at this time because I'm going to add it back once we get that sauce incorporated, and I'm just not a fan of overcooked food in general. So here I just want to get everything nice and tossed, kind of firm up that broccoli just a little bit, give it a little bit of color. I'm going to take it out, and here I'm going to add in my soy sauce, brown sweetener or sugar, rice vinegar, and then give everything a stir. And so I'm going to stir this until that brown sweetener is fully melted and combined with the sauce there. And what I've done here is I've combined cold water and cornstarch. You need to mix that up really, really well before you add it to the sauce. Make sure you're not using any old or expired cornstarch because that is going to result in clumps in your sauce mixture. So you want to use cornstarch that's fresh and fully incorporated with cold water. That's key. If you add it when this sauce is warm, then it's also going to form clumps in your sauce. You can use flour as well, but I find that cornstarch works so much better with this sauce mixture. And then you continuously stir it. Once you stir it for a few minutes, it will start to thicken, and you'll know when it's ready because you want it to be a nice thick glaze. This is the consistency that we're going for. This looks absolutely amazing. So I'm adding my cooked noodles back to the pan along with my cooked steak and broccoli. And then I give everything a toss once it's in there, and then this is ready. This is such an easy dinner meal. I can get this done in under 30 minutes. The key is to cook your pasta and your steak and your broccoli at the same time so that once those things are done, you can kind of just combine them together. This is so easy. You can even add more vegetables if you like. Once I plate this, I love it spicy, so I add a little bit of sriracha.